wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love, I just wanna have some fun. I don't wanna fall in love, I just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love, I just wanna have some fun. I just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love, I just wanna have some fun. I don't wanna fall in love, I just wanna have some fun.
ความผู้ชนะ Bless you. Are you happy? Okay. Go sit down, na? Shut.
I want someone to love me. I need a boy who can cuddle with me all night. Give me one, let me long, be my sunlight. Tell me lies, we can argue, we can fight. Yeah, we did it before, but we'll do it tonight. Yeah, that fro black boy with the gold teeth, your dark skin looking at me like you know me. I wonder if you got the G or the B. Let me find out and see. Coming over to me. These days I'm way too lonely. I'm missing out, I know. These days I'm way too alone, and I'm not forgiving, love away, but I want someone to love me. I need someone to leave me, 'cause it don't feel right when it's late at night. Someone to love me. I need a boy who can cuddle with me all night. Give me one, let me long, be my sunlight. Tell me lies, we can argue, we can fight. Yeah, we did it before, but we'll do it tonight. Yeah, that fro black boy with the gold teeth, your dark skin looking at me like you know me. I wonder if you got the G or the B. Let me find out and see. Coming over to me. These days I'm way too lonely. I'm missing out, I know. These days I'm way too alone, and I'm not forgiving, love away, but I want someone to love me. I need someone to leave me, 'cause it don't feel right when it's late at night.
Yeah?
I'm trying to live in the moment. We gotta live in the moment.
Diana? Tacha? Que nyama. Que nyama. Diana, mane? Munat. Hi guys. It's Wednesday today. Okay, let's redo this. Hi guys, it's Mamwaki and welcome to my channel. Yeah, so if you've made it this far in this video, thank you so much for watching. And for those of you that have already subscribed, thank you so much for your subscription. It really means a lot to me. I'm highly appreciative. If you haven't subscribed, please I'm begging you so that this channel can grow. We're still very, very new. So I'm asking that you do subscribe to my channel so we can grow. Like, comment, and share. So today is Wednesday. Yeah, what day? Today is Wednesday, the 18th of September. So I've been wanting to stay home. And I think I've done so well and away from the camera because I'm just trying to be present. And now I'm panicking because time is running so fast, like it's going so fast. I'm gonna go back to work like very quickly. So the plan is just to spend a lot of time with my kids. And I've noticed that Kay has been enjoying having me around, although now she's, oh God, she's like turned, I don't know, into what? She's forever crying. Every little thing, wah, every little thing, wah, you breathe, she cries, you blink, she cries, you sleep, she cries, you sit down, like terrible twos. You know what they say about them. So yeah. So today I have just 3 things to do. I'm gonna go to Clicks and get more Adventin. So we ran out from the one that the doctor prescribed because they only have 20 grams. So I'm going to go back to get the other 20 grams and then we'll be left with 120 grams. So I'm going to get the 20 grams and then from Clicks 1, I'm going to the hospital to go do my x-rays. And then from the x-rays, I'm going to go see my GP. So there's 3 things that I need to do today. And yeah, so that I can spend some time with my kids. I already miss Mo before I even go. And then I'm going to show you guys how I literally spend my day. I think the next few days, I hope that I do have the patience of recording. And then I just show you how my day goes as a mom of 2 with a full-time stay-in nanny, because it's just for now. So my husband comes home like weekends because he works a little bit far from us. So that's why I have like a full-time stay-in nanny. If he was here like every day, or had I gone to his workplace, I think it would be better. So yeah. Oh, anyways, but I don't think I would manage with them, just the 2 of them alone, because Kay is just, she wants to claim her position. Like she wants to feel that I'm the baby, and I'm really trying to give her that space. Never mind my sheet. I haven't ironed. Me and the iron, we don't get along. So I can see he's got creases, but hey, even if it's embarrassing, I don't care, because me and the iron, we don't really get along. So yeah, I'm gonna go now. Like I said, it's just after 10, and then I'll pick up the camera when I come back, and yeah, we'll just spend the day together. Shop.
Nothing seems right, 'cause when you're born I lose my sight. It's harder at night, the curtain's drawn, can't show my eyes. Do you still think of me? I get a feeling you're lost in a dream. Told me I'm all that you need, but you're too far to even hear me scream. Don't let go, I'm too scared to ever wanna be alone if you're not there. To ever wanna be, to ever wanna Get a feeling you're lost in a dream. Told me I'm all that you need, but you're too far to even hear me scream. Don't let go. I'm too scared to ever wanna be alone if you're not there. Don't let go. Don't let go. I'm too scared to ever wanna be alone if you're not there. Don't let go. I'm too scared to ever wanna be alone if you're not there. To ever wanna be, to ever wanna be, to ever wanna be not there.
Okay, so we're back. And I had said that I have 3 stops, right? Clicks, hospital, doctor, and then I went to spa because we ran out of tin fish. Lately, I love tin fish. Nah, like it's just, I literally, this is what I live for. I don't know why, but anyways, yeah. Tell me why this guy, Adventin. So I went to Clicks, right? So remember I said that I'm going to get more Adventin. So this is, I don't have the patience. Guys, like, thank God for medical aid because, wow. What's this? Okay, it's a receipt. All right. Net 1,022. Right. Oh, well, it's fine. This is what I was going to get. This guy. Tell me why. Tell me why this thing is 275 Rand. Oops, sorry. Like, I saw the receipt when I was still at Clicks. Guys, like 275 Rand. I'm on unpaid maternity leave. So imagine, imagine if I was paying this with my cash monies. Which ones? Okay, thank God, because Shem Umfana, he's really trying, my baby. But, okay, let's see. Oops, sorry. It's literally the size of my middle finger. Like, never mind my nails, guys. Like, we are on unpaid maternity leave, okay? Tell me why this thing, it's the same size as my middle finger. 275 Rand. Life is expensive. Like, it's really expensive. And don't ask me why I'm so violent with these things. Me, I don't have the patience. The person that has the patience is Umfana in this house. But anyways, so I'm back. Yeah, just gonna spend some time with my kids. I'm so tired. I do want to take a nap, but I've been away from Mo, so maybe if I do see him for a little bit, and then when he falls asleep, because when I walked in, he was sleeping. When he falls asleep, I'm just gonna do a chakani and then that. Thank God for Cecilia, because wow, she's doing an amazing job with taking care of me, my children. Like, guys, Mo doesn't sleep. So I'm talking too much, but I think he confuses times, right? So when during the day, he's going to sleep nicely, no problem. Like, immediately after every feed, he just burp and then he sleeps. Nafsiku. Okay, I understand. I understand that, like, around midnight when I was pregnant with him, I would wake up to eat. But unclear, right? This child, the Wiku, 6 o'clock, actually, he wakes up at 6 p.m., right? He will stay awake from 6 and will eventually fall asleep at 12 midnight. So anyways, yeah, like I was saying, like he will fall asleep at midnight. Like always. Okay, so yeah, I'm talking too much and I really don't like talking too much. Even when like I'm watching other people and they're just going on and on and on, I get bored. So I'm getting bored myself. I'm doing it. I'm talking too much. Okay, let me go spend some time with my kids. Hey! Yay! Yay! Mama.
Now because I'm a girl, you need to help me when I'm sad. You want to help me, but I have the girl. I have the girl, baby, I'm enough, yeah. Now because I'm a girl, you need to help me when I'm sad. You want to help me, but I have the girl. I have the girl, baby, I'm enough, hey. Cause I'm hurting, cause I'm bleeding, going crazy. I don't need you, just cut me. You don't help me. I'm blind, baby, need us. I'm blind, baby, I need it. I'm blind, baby, need us. I'm blind, baby, yeah. I'm blind, baby, need us. I'm blind, baby, need it. I'm blind, baby, yeah. I'm sad today. Now because I'm a girl, you need to help me when I'm sad. You want to help me, but I have the girl. I have the girl, baby, I'm enough, yeah. Not because I'm a girl, you need to help me when I'm sad. You want to help me, but I have the girl. I have the girl, baby, I'm enough, hey. I've been looking for something that will give me peace of mind. You make me insecure, I pretend that it's good when I'm not. Cause I'm hurting, cause I'm bleeding, going crazy. I don't need that, just cut me. You don't help me.
Uisaka air freshener. Uisaka air freshener. Hey, air freshener. Ari, tama. Hey, wasenya kan. Weka, kararo level the TV. Kai. Kontle. Akina. Eh? Akiko. What do I A dog. A dog. A dog. Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. Hi guys. Welcome to another day of the vlog. Well, if you've reached to this far, come. Hi. If you've reached this far into this video, come. If you've reached this far into the video, you've come to the end of the video. But before I end this vlog, man, it's my birthday, right? Okay. So it was my birthday. It's my birthday. So it was my birthday on Sunday. Today is Tuesday, right? So I'm gonna finish up this vlog with just expressing my gratitude to God, because wow, He has been so good. And my birthday this time around was special because It was on a Sunday, and I was also born on a Sunday, so I'm actually very, very happy about that. And my day was a beautiful one. My kids, I spent it with my kids, of course, because they're my school beggars. My husband, okay, so anyways, because we don't know how to do this unboxing thing, we're not really used to it, right? So my husband bought me these girlies. I mean, itawa. If he sees this, he's gonna kill me because, I mean, yeah. So he bought me these Polaroid sunglasses, and they are like the kind of shape that I love. So man, like I love them so much. I couldn't wait. So as I was unboxing right on Sunday, I'm like, no man, I need to unbox in front of the camera because wow. Anyway, so I saw these and they're beautiful. I love them so much. Anyways, and then as I was holding this, can we look at the wrap, right? Isn't he cute? Yeah. So I was like, no, I'm gonna do it there because I was holding it. There was like in front of everyone. So my mom was here. Okay, my mom is here. She's now bathing Mo. I'm quite excited about that. I get to. Last night I got a good night's sleep. Like I slept at 8 and I woke up this morning at 7. So I was like, this feels like clothes. I don't want to be unboxing. What if it's lingerie? So yeah, he got me a pair of these Polaroid sunglasses, my favorite shape. So man, and mind you, the other ones that I had these what's that, Daniel Klein one that you bought me for Valentine's the other time, and she literally, this part was going the other way, and then she could put her fingers in here, so she ruined my sunglasses. Anyways, so like I'm not opening this in front of family because what if it's lingerie? Man. So I got a little cardigan. Where is it from? Okay, I don't know, but I just see the price. Oh, it's from H&M. This white cardigan. He loves white. Okay, he looks good when he's wearing white. So I guess he's like, let me buy her. Okay. And then he got me. Isn't this cute? Right? Isn't this cute? Like, guys. So even this dress also from H&M. I can't wait to wear it to a picnic or something. Just the two of us, you know. But yeah, so it was my birthday. I got cake. I'm gonna put it somewhere in the video. Beautiful for a queen on her birthday. Kikupaleng congratulating because Siki Kudile, you know. 23 with 10 years experience. Somebody please buy. I need to go and buy her sunglasses. Ooh, you look nice. Thank you. So yeah, my birthday went good, and then my kids, right? So my Kani calls my sister's husband my brother-in-law Daddy. So Daddy bought my son this little, aren't they cute? Huh? So Daddy got Mo these little pants and this t-shirt. Daddy. Isn't that like amazing? And it was my birthday. He didn't get me anything for my birthday, but and then also Kay, this for Kay. It's the same as her aunties. So yay. Oops. Anyways, so I just have this mess here that I need to fold. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this far. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and you know, almost we still need to grow. But 33th, oh babe. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and just get other people as well to subscribe to my channel, because yeah, I think now that my mom is here, the past 2 weeks it was just me, the kids, and Nanny. So I haven't really gotten much sleep. Okay, I would sleep, Sham. I'm very grateful for my nanny, but I feel bad now that, you know, the woman, so I've been yelling like now. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday to you.
I appreciate it.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Una 1. Una 2. Una 4.